Hi crafters, Diane here. I wanted to show you my design team project for March with Tsunami Rose. I decided to pick the Jane Austen journaling cards, journaling pages, and ephemera. She has some beautiful sets at her Etsy site. I'll put the link down below so you can check her out. Oh, here we go. I actually printed out too many, so I decided to make 2 traveler's notebooks to match. The front is a beautiful brocade fabric with some old lace, and those are my little heartstrings. And has the little flowers and feathers and things. So here we go. Decided to put a pocket, and it has journaling cards. And I always put this in my journals, somewhere within the journal itself. It says, "Life is an adventure. It's not the destination we reach that's most rewarding. It's the journey along the way. So write it down and treasure the memory forever." Now this is a bag. What I did was I printed up on a paper bag some of the illustrations, the artwork, and I made for a nice pocket. The belly band. I love these illustrations, they're beautiful. And the journaling cards. There's another tuck spot. More little feathers, paper flowers, lots of journaling room. And the paper is coffee dyed. This is another one of the paper bags. Plenty of area to put some notes in there, and yes, tuck spot. I added some of my own papers within it. Some things for my stash, some paper flowers. Another belly band. Spare parts. These are some of the flowers I fussy cut. She's got some pretty flowers. There's the back side of the bag. And some goodies in the back. And that's the first one. And I'll bring over the second. Very similar. Same fabric and lace. And feathers. Paper flowers. And I also put the pocket in here. And this one actually has the same little card. And this little paper pad. And cute little paper pad. Different papers. Here's the paper bag that I printed. And a journaling card. I did some stitching on some of the journaling cards. The sewing machine. Some more of the paper that I had on hand. This is a smaller paper bag. Put more goodies inside. And this little booklet. I tied some lace around it and just to hold it down so it wouldn't get all wrinkled. There's a little journaling card. Another pocket with a paper bag. Another tuck spot. Tuck spot here. I also have a tuck spot in here. Some of the brocaded fabric. This is another one of her roses I fussy cut. Another tuck area. More roses. Just a little booklet, all different papers. She had some file folders, a little booklet. And some of it is just reduced down pages that I just made a little booklet out of. the belly band. And this is another bag. Smaller bag. Back of the bag. I love to stitch my hearts. What I do is all the leftover papers that I have, if the paper is big enough, then I'll punch a heart and I put it in a bowl. Actually, it's a container. These are my hearts. I punch all my leftover papers so that whenever I need a heart, it's right there. It also makes me think of what can I do with hearts. Maybe I should do a video on what to do just with hearts, journaling cards and things like that. Sounds like something that, let me know if you think that might be something you might want to watch. A paper bag, journaling cards. There's another one of my hearts. So they're very similar. Well, I hope you like this design team project. I'll have it for sale at my Etsy shop if you're interested. I guess that's all for now. Have a great day. Goodbye.